Welcome back to Bad Bad Bowling with your boy C. And today we're going to be at Park Lanes, Illinois. It's my favorite bowling center in the Lust Park area. And today we're going to be doing a ball review on two of my new but incredible balls. The Infinite Physics hits amazingly hard. The Idol Cosmic, the most versatile ball that I have in my bag by a long shot. Both balls we did a ball review on, but today we're going to do a side-by-side comparison. The Infinite Physics, a symmetrical ball, meant to hit really hard. It has a RG of .053, so with speed, has a remarkable finish. As you know, I put a coat of wax over the top of it to allow it to get a little longer, to let it do what I want it to do and work with it the way I want it to work. Going to the Idol Cosmic, this also has an RG of .052, so it's very similar, but this ball being symmetric, this ball using the Extreme Track core, this ball using the Atomic core, both balls are actually reactive pearl balls, so the comparison between the two is going to be, it should be really similar. However, this ball is really angular. This ball tends to be more rounded, more controllable. So this ball has a mass bias of .017. This ball doesn't have one, again, because it is symmetrical. So with that being said, we've already seen what they can do, but side by side, we're about to see. I did put a coat of wax over top of the Cosmic Idol just to get it to go a little longer, just like the Infinite Physics, and that should give us a pretty good understanding of what the balls are going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw 4 shots apiece with both balls, then I'll come back and we can talk about what we see out there. This is a house shot pattern here at Park Lanes, so I'm not sure how it looks so far today, but we're going to find out together, okay? Here we go. And there's a good shot right there, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we're going to put feet on 21, try to throw over 7. Beautiful shot. Now we're going to go put feet back over 21, keep the eyes about 7, and we're going to try to repeat this last shot. Got it a little outside. Okay, so now we're going to get into the Cosmic Idol. We're going to keep our feet on the 21, just like we was in with the break point. We're going to try to get it to 7, break point around 5. Try to stay consistent. See what happens. Both are reactive pearls, so we'll see how the difference between asymmetrical and symmetrical work. Got that a little inside over the oil. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put my feet further to the right. So I'm going to try to go to 17, throw the 5, just to see what it's going to do. Okay, I threw that more over the 11 than the 5. So I'm going to go back feet to the 17. But this time, I'm actually going to try and hit the 5 as opposed to hitting the 11. There we go. There we go. Beautiful shot. Holds great. Okay, let's go back to the 17. Throw over the 5. Try to repeat that last shot. Beautiful shot. One more with this one. Remember, this is a very versatile ball. So I'm going to try to continue throwing good shots with it. It's the last one. We'll get back to the Infinite. Hold. Oh, solid 4. Okay. Okay, so I had opportunity to throw several shots with both the Infinite and the Cosmic. As you can see, they're both reactive curls, but the differential is very, very close between them, the 0.53, the 0.52. Now, both of them also have the wax finish, the 1500 finish on it, so they are really similar. However, this ball is a little more versatile than this one. As you can see, this ball hooks just a little more. I have to have my feet on 21 to 23, throwing with the 5 breakpoint with the Infinite Physics, and it'll turn over and get to the pocket. With this one, feet are on 17, throwing the same line, 5 to 7 breakpoint, and you can see how this ball rounds to the rounds. This one's more angular, and both of them carry though, and that's the most important part. So if you're going to think about getting into a ball this fall in your league, these two balls are balls that you should definitely consider. So what we're going to do is, I want you, when you're watching these though, I want you to pay attention and make sure that when you're watching me bowl, you're watching when it starts to pick up, how it does when it hits the pins, and does it finish all the way through. That's an important thing for you to decide. Remember, this is a house shot. The shot isn't burnt up. What I did learn is I'm the first person to bowl on it today. So that's something that you should also take into consideration. So you see that throwing the balls, even though they're coated on a fresh house shot, they still get back. You can still line up and go from there, okay? So I'm gonna throw a couple more shots and see how it all turns out, see if I get to make any adjustments going left, and then that way you guys will see how it looks from there, okay? Our feet, 3 boards to the left to 23. Still try to play that same shot. There we go. Came back a long way. So we're gonna try and play similar line. We'll try to play 23, but breakpoint at 5. So get it to the 7, breakpoint 5. There we go. No, didn't quite get there. Speed must be a difference. So we're gonna go 23. Keep the same breakpoint. So again, we're gonna stay 23, breakpoint 7, but this time let's hit it. How I carried that last ball, I have no idea. Well, maybe I should be playing that. Well, let's try 17. Keep the ball speed where it's at. Okay, now we found a line. Let's go feet over 18, breakpoint 5. There we go. I like that. That's good. All right, so feet on 19. Try to keep the speed up. That's good. Now we're gonna put our feet back on 19. Try to throw that same line. See how it holds up. That's good. All right, so again, feet on 19. This ball gives you a little more miss room, but I'm hoping you're seeing the similarities between the two. Oh, that's rolling out. Nope, it held. Look at that. Still a beautiful shot. Didn't carry the 9, but beautiful shot nevertheless. All right, so feet back to the 19. We're going to pound this shot all day long. If we have to slide a little to the left, we will. Oh, that's good. Oh, didn't get it. All right, so back to 19. I think we can hold this line just a couple more balls. Oh no, not again. That's 2 berries in a row. All right, so I'm gonna move my feet to the 20, throw the same shot. This time, try not to throw it in the gutter. And the 7. So we're gonna go to 21 and try to make 5 the break point and see how that works. Beautiful, but a solid 10. Feet on 22. Beautiful. A couple of more shots in with the Cosmic and we'll call it a day. Feet on 22. Oh, balance issue. That's how you do it. One more great shot. One more great shot and we'll get up out of here. Oh no. Let's get out of here. Okay, so you guys seen me throw several shots with both the Cosmic Idol and the Infinite Physics. Now remember, this is just my comparison. I don't work for Storm, I don't work for Roto, I don't work for any company. This is me, this is my personal inventory, and these are balls that I use or won't use, okay? So this is just my honest opinion. And unfortunately, that's all I can give you. I can't give you anything more than that. Throwing both balls, I don't know if you guys noticed something, but there is a stark similarity between the two. And there is a subtle difference, but if you really, really paid attention, these balls are very, very similar in how they roll. This ball, fortunately, if you would take the cover, the film off, you know, the polish, if you would take that off, this ball is just very versatile. But so is this ball. And the thing is they both finish very strong, hit the pocket hard as you just seen. And when you're light, they tend to carry that too. However, the question you have to ask yourself is both being reactive pearls is, do you need both of them in your bag? For me, the answer to that question is no. I don't need both in my bag. And just being 100% honest with you, I'm probably not going to have both in my bag. I will make a decision about which ball I'm going to have in my bag. Right now, I can tell you which way I'm leaning. I'm leaning more towards the Idol Cosmic at this time, but you know, before league, during league, I could change my mind. I can tell you, as of right now, my tournament bag is going to look a little different. Some people don't like urethanes, and me, for the large part since I've been bowling, I haven't been a big fan of urethanes, but over the last several months, I became a bigger fan of urethane, not because I've thrown 300s with them, which I have, but because they allow me to control my game, control what it is that I'm trying to do. So with that being said, there will be 3 urethane balls in my bag. There'll be the urethane Roto Grip UC3, the urethane, which is urethane and pearl. That'll be in my bag, absolutely. It's had a place in my bag in the last couple of tournaments I've been in. And I'm not talking Pro Tour either, because I'm not good enough for that, as you can see. And then I also have the Pitch Black, which will be in there. And then it will be the Purple Hammer also. And I also will have the Gym. I love that ball. As you guys already know, I did show on it. And then from that point, from the Gym, I have a space for 2 to 4 more balls. Because going to tournament, I'm either going to take 6 or 8. So I need to figure out what left to be in my bag, and that's something that we can all do together. So why don't you guys in the comments tell me what you're using? Tell me what your tournament bag looks like. Tell me what your league bag looks like so I get an understanding. I start league on August 17th, but we're also going to bowl in the tournament on August 5th. So I'm going to be using urethane. Gym, urethane, more likely the cosmic. I'm going to take the coating off of it, the polish off. So I'm thinking that I'm going to do that, and I'm not sure what else. I'll probably think about throwing the dark moss also, which I'm going to do a review for you guys with that one. Depending on what shots out, also depends on what I'm going to use. But my thing between the infinite physics and the cosmic idol is you don't need both in your bag. They both have a lot of similarities, and I would say that if you have one, you don't need the other. So the question you have to ask yourself is which one of these balls would work better for you. For me, again, the cosmic idol looks like it, but I'm not promising you anything. So with that said, I'm C. This is Bad Bad Bowling 101. I'm at Park Lanes, Illinois today, and if you like, please hit the like button, and more important, subscribe. And if you don't, let me know why. And also, please leave it in the comments to let me know what you got in your bag, what you're thinking about for your tournament bag, because believe it or not, you could actually be helping me more than I'm helping you. So you guys have a great day. I hope you all tune in live for the tournament, on the small tournament on the August 5th at 6:30, between 6:30 and 7 p.m. Central Time. And I hope that you guys do tune in. And if we get to 250 viewers, last time we had 100, we get to 250 viewers this time, I will be doing a ball giveaway right there live at the end of it. And also High Series, I'm going to give away a ball for that too. So again, have a great rest of your day.